Kung ang mga kalaban ng Estado tulad ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front at komunistang grupo, ang New People's Army, ay binibigyan ng pagkakataon makabalik sa normal na buhay, may karapatan din ng mga sundalong nagrebelde sa nakaraang administrasyon, ayon sa opisyal ng tagapagsalita ng AFP at Hepe ng Civil Relations Service, Brigadier General Jose Mabanta.
Remember, we are also talking with the traditional enemies of the state. So, what more with former comrades? So we similarly wave to them or show to them the so-called olive branch, and we welcome those still that are, I would say, hiding to go to us, to communicate with us, and we will certainly, we have to talk. Let's talk about this. It's the president right now has a very high mandate, and the situation is very much different from, I would say, from what it used to be. Sir. And this opens a window for everyone to talk to us.
Sinabi pa ni Mabanta na pinag-aaralan na rin ng AFP ang mga natitirang kaso ng ilang pa mga military officers na may katulad ng kay Colonel Ariel Carubin.
This will be the start of further study. So it may start with Colonel Carubin, and it will continue, and we will look into the cases of other officers involved.
Si Brigadier General Jose Mabanta, RH 911, Bing Fermento ng DZRH Nationwide.